Hello guys, welcome to Fundamentals for Investment. I know it's been a long time. I have uploaded a video, but let's see what happens in the upcoming days. I will make some time for you, all of you guys, and make some good videos regarding the market. Okay, let's start with our today's first stock, that is NSDL. As you can see, I have opened the financials, which is, and I'm seeing the peers right now, that is NSDL, and NSDL has only one peer, that is CDSL. Now CDSL has the PE which is lesser than NSDL, which is good, and market cap is also better than NSDL, and the return on capital, which is ROCE, is also better than NSDL. That does not make NSDL a bad stock, but what we can see right now, if I may show you the chart here, the NSDL stock itself, it's a bit overvalued right now, because the stock started trading at 882, which is itself at a very premium level. After that, high volumes happened here. If I may show you the volume chart here, it's a pretty hefty kind of a volume for buyers, and then the price got pumped up, and now the volumes are pretty dry for buyers. So there is a less possibility that the stock will go upwards from here right now, and there is a long way to go downward here. And there is a possibility, as per the market mood. If I may see the NSE or the Nifty 50 right now, Nifty made a high here, right here. If I may show you, it is at 26,294 as per I see here, but the market hasn't made a pretty hefty kind of a downward movement, but still the stocks are pretty sucking up. The market has a support area, Nifty has a support area nearly 24,384, and after that there is a breakout zone right happened on what I may concern here at the month of April. There is a breakout zone on 17th April 2025. The market make a momentum and broke the support zone and went upward. Now these two areas are a very crucial area. If the market started a very sideways momentum, giving a very sideways momentum, then there is a concern that it may spend a little bit of a time spending here, which is maybe a possibility to consolidate, or the stocks may went down for the market not moving upwards or things like that. But what we may concern right here, that the market hasn't made a very pretty hefty momentum, but the stocks are pretty sucking up. As we may see, this is the chart of NSDL. This is a very pretty new stock which got listed in the market, but still okay. So the next stock in our list is BSE Limited. As we may see here, the chart here, it made a high of 3000. Now we are considering it the lowest. We cannot calculate the lowest point or the bottom point of any stock or any index, because we, after all, we are humans. No, we are not computers. So let's see what happens here. So the first support is 2000 as per I see here right now, and as we can see right here, that in the month of April, May, there is a momentum happened and it went upwards. So if the market started giving a downward momentum, or this particular stock started giving a downward momentum, then there is a possibility that this stock might give a sideways momentum and show some time and spend some time from the range from 2000 to 1300 or 1200 as per I see. But there some momentum can happen because it's a round level. Okay, so 2000 is a round level, and there is a breakout happened earlier also. So 2000 is a round level, as I have already shown you guys and taught you guys that 100 points plus minus. So I am expecting, if the market or if BSE breaks 2000 level, then 1900 may be the point where there is a momentum can happen upwards. Okay, then also it may go downward or may go sideways, or go sideways downward momentum can give, but a momentum can happen. We may predict that. So as per I see here, if I show you the volume chart, the volumes are dried up, not like the month of April or like that, but as we may see that there is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 days of hefty selling, 7 days of hefty selling, and the volumes are still increasing for sellers. So if market gives a downward movement pretty fast, then there is a possibility that the upward movement will also happen pretty fast. But the candles are right now right here are very small and consecutively going downwards, right? So I am a pretty concerning about this particular stock, that what will happen. I'm also very interested to see what will happen. So let's see, if we get BSE at a very cheaper price, then it will be good for us only, as per the big investors, be greedy when the market is fearful. So let's see. So the next stock in our sorry, I also forgot to mention the fundamentals of the stock, BSE. Okay, so if I may see the FII DII data, the FII is at 18.1%, good enough. DII is at 11.3%. okay, the public is 50% holder of this company, so not to worry about that, because public at 64.8% on December 22, so the public holding got decreased, which is a very good sign, right? Why it's a very good sign? Because the institutional investors has increased their stake, okay, which is a very good sign, which means they have interest in the stock, and that it will go further beyond or get expanded or make a good profit. That's why. And also they have better information, better intelligence department, better computers than public, right? So okay, let's see the next here, BSE. So BSE, I've opened the quarterly results. The quarterly results are also pretty good. If I may see right here, right now, in 2025, March is 494 and June is 538. Okay, so if the profit and loss for the year-on-year basis at March 2025 is 1322, which is pretty good. And in 2025, as we may see here, that 538, if I calculate right here, right now, okay, just give me some time. Okay, we can do it in as mind also, that 538 and 494. okay, so it is nearly around 100 here, 100 thousands here, 1020, I guess. So it is 1022 crores profit the stock already made, right? 1022 crores of profit. So we can see that it will easily overachieve the target. I mean, it's not a particular target for any stock, it's not a sales business, but the target is to overcome or to overachieve the previous year's income, right? So we can see that it will definitely cross the previous year's income. So the result will be on next year when it will publish. We may see a good momentum on this stock, but for that we have to wait. Okay, let's see our next stock, which is CDSL. CDSL is trading at 1467, which is the highest CDSL made is around right here, which is 1991, or we can say at 2000 level, and now the stock is trading at 1467, which is nearly around more than 25% of discount, which is good. Now, should we buy it right now? I don't know here, because the volumes are pretty low. The volumes are not showing much, which is a very good sign also. When the volumes are dried up, it is a very good sign for buying. And let's see the support and resistances right here. The support, as I can see, it is around 1381, and the next support is around 21255. okay, in this area there is a good support. We may consider buying. Okay, buying not means that all in. Okay, we have to buy at every support zones, which means if the stock is coming at a very lower point or lower low, we need to buy in a very lower low. Let's say I have 10,000 rupees. I am going to buy 2 stocks when it hits 1381. Okay, if the stocks get consolidated enough and comes to 1255, then I am going to buy 2 to 3 stocks again. right here. Now if the stock gets consolidated and if the stock is moving upwards, giving some breakouts, then I may put some other money also, and some add up some quantity also. Then there is a surety. As I mentioned, there is no surety in stock market, but still there is a perspective. Okay, as per my perspective, I can put some I can add some quantity that it will give some better returns, better return in future, for that reason. Okay, so that's it for today guys, for this video. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.